Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up taxes on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first off, let's go ahead over to settings right here at the bottom left. Now in the left panel, you'll be able to see taxes and duties. So just click on it. Now what we're going to do in here is just got to select our tax calculation service. But by default, Shopify tax service is already available right here, but you can go ahead and change it by just clicking on manage. So you have the tax regions, for example, Philippines. We are currently conducting taxes to Philippine buyers. Region Australia right here got basic tax, Shopify tax for Canada, European Union, and so on and so forth. Now if you want to modify it, you can just go ahead and click on one country. And then you can add in some shipping overrides and product overrides as well. So let's go ahead and go back. Right here, scroll all the way down. Here we have duties and import taxes. And by the way, I'm going to explain the Shopify tax right here, or Shopify taxes, as well as basic tax and manual tax. So Shopify taxes, this is the default advanced engine for US and Canadian stores. It automatically monitors your state-by-state transaction volume to warn you when you trigger a tax obligation or economic nexus. It also maps products to precise local tax categories automatically. So the basic tax and manual taxes right here, this is a free legacy setting where you manually input base country and provincial state tax percentage. You got to use this tier if your country is not yet supported by automated engines. Okay, for example, we have here the Philippines. Should it be a 12% VAT for everything right here or all region? Okay, you can just set it up however you want. So let's go ahead and go back right here under duties and import taxes. So it says here, collect duties and import taxes at checkout. If you want to, you got to set it up. All right. Select the markets, for example, Philippines, and hit on done, then save. There you go. That's how easy it is to register your tax collection regions. And if you want to turn off tax at the very top, you can just go ahead and turn off this tax collection region right here. Okay, you can add in some more regions if you want to. And when you go ahead and scroll down, for example, okay, right here, you have reduced rates when preferential treaties allow. You can enable it. Use postal duty rates into United States. You can enable it as well if you want to. So after that, by the way, we need to enable tax tracking on our products. So the tax system will bypass items if they are explicitly marked as tax exempt within your product settings panel. So go ahead and go back to Shopify right here. Let's click on it and go to products. Click on one product, or you can bulk edit if you want to. Now let's go ahead and scroll all the way down. Now let's go ahead and add a product. So for example, at the very bottom, you have the price. For example, add in 10,000. Charge tax, yes. So just click on it. So as you can see here, charge tax on this product is already on. And then after that, just basically click on save. This new product will now be charged with a tax. And do take note, when someone completes an order, Shopify does not file the taxes for you. Unless you choose a third-party automated application or use specialized Shopify tax auto-filing add-ons, Shopify only collects your tax or sales tax. You must pull your data summaries from analytics, okay, right here, and then go ahead over to reports, and then you should be able to find tax reports right here. So just click on it, so that you can file and remit money to your government tax authorities. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to set up taxes on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.